Hello, welcome to TechShimmer. In this session, we will learn about three more functions of Microsoft Excel, that is power, floor, and ceiling. Okay, so we will see one by one. So here I have stored some numeric values, and now we will use these functions and will calculate the power, floor, or ceiling of the number. Okay, so these functions are mainly for the mathematical purpose. We can use it for mathematical operations. So now we will see firstly for the power, why we need power functions. So if you want to calculate the power of this number, then you can directly write equal, then the function name, that is power, opening parenthesis. Here you have to put the number for which you want to calculate the power. So I'm selecting this cell, or you can directly pass that number also, but for now we are just selecting this cell. Then put comma, and you have to put the like what power should you want to calculate for this number. Let's say I want to find out the force power 2. So in that case I will put 2 here. Okay, now close the parenthesis and just hit enter, so it returns 16. So that is correct because we have got the four force fourth power 2, we got the 16. Okay, now we will see the floor function. So floor function is mainly used for rounding of the number but to the downside. So let's see it practically. Just write equal, now write floor, opening parenthesis, select the number, put comma, then significance. Here we have to put the significance, so I'm writing 1. So just close the parenthesis and just hit enter. So it round of the number 75.735 to 75. It means we are going downside. So that's why it is known as floor function. Now we will see for the ceiling function. Just write equal ceiling, opening parenthesis, select the number, put comma, significance. Here also I'm specifying 1. Just hit enter. So it has like this number is round off, but in the upside. That's why it is known as ceiling function. So mainly we have discussed three functions, that is power, floor, and ceiling. In the upcoming session, we will discuss few more functions. So thank you for watching Texture Myth.